This store sells this product and operates on a dropshipping system. Last month, it was able to generate over $35,000 in revenue from selling these products. The store sells this product for approximately $49, while its cost is around $13, allowing it to achieve a high profit margin and make around 700 orders last month. All of this was achieved through content creation on TikTok. The owner has an account with the store link in the bio and creates daily content about these products. Today, step by step, I will teach you how to start in dropshipping, create a professional online store, and find a supplier who can provide you with products at very low prices so you can achieve a large profit margin. Subscribe to the channel and like this video as I post profitable products daily. The first step is to create an online store on Shopify. I will leave a registration link in the video description, and through it you will get a free trial for 3 days, and the first 3 months on Shopify will only cost you $1 per month instead of $32. You will start by registering an account, then selecting the country you will be selling in, entering your email and password, and creating the online store on Shopify. After that, we move on to step 2, which is finding a supplier to import products to your store. When they receive orders, they will ship them to customers and handle packaging. This supplier is Zendrop. Zendrop offers a free plan so you can start with ease, providing you with millions of products, auto-fulfillment, fast shipping, and professional support. I will leave a link to install the Zendrop app in the video description. Start by installing the app on your store. After installing the app, go to Apps and select Zendrop. This is the simple interface of Zendrop. Here you will find the product, select any category you want to start with and type the product name. This is the product the person is selling. I will open it and here you will find all the product details including the product cost. Here are the variations which include the available colors and sizes of the product cost and the shipping cost, which varies from country to country. You can select any country here to check its shipping cost, and the total product price will be displayed here. Try to find a reasonable shipping cost for the product. For example, this product has a shipping cost of $7, while this one has $20. To add this product to the store, click on Add to My Products. After that, you can go back and add other products to the store in the same way. Then click on My Products, click on Review and Publish, and edit the product details before publishing it on the store, such as the product name, description, variations, and selling price. For example, I can sell this product for $50, which would yield a profit of $16 per unit. I can select the photos I want to display in the store from here. Then click on Publish to My Store and then Confirm. Now the product has been published on the store. I can now go to Products where I will find the product, open it, and edit anything related to it. I can also view the product on the store by clicking on Preview, and this is what the product page on the store looks like, though it's not professional at all. In the video description, I have included a complete guide explaining how to build a professional online store and product page on Shopify. But for now, let me place an order for this product to see if the order reaches Zendrop so that I can ship it to the customer. After placing the order for the customer, I'll go to Shopify, where I will find the order has arrived, and I can view all the order and customer details. If I go to Zendrop and refresh, I will see the product has arrived in the orders section, along with the order cost and the product and customer information. I can ship this product to the customer by clicking Fulfill Order, showing me the product cost and shipping cost. However, initially I need to add funds to be able to ship the product to the customer. The customer has already paid for the product via the payment gateway you linked to Shopify, whether it's PayPal, Stripe, or Shopify's payment gateways. Thus, the product payment has entered your account, and now you need to pay the product cost to Zendrop to ship it. You can do this by going here and adding funds using a credit card or PayPal. One of Zendrop's advantages is that it provides you with 25 orders in the free plan to start with ease. But if you wish to fulfill unlimited orders, you can upgrade to a paid plan by clicking Upgrade. Any paid plan provides unlimited orders and auto-fulfillment, with the plan price varying according to its features. I recommend completing the 25 orders first, and once you make a profit, then you can subscribe to a paid plan. The paid plan offers auto-fulfillment, so you won't need to fulfill orders manually. It will be done automatically. Moving to the most important step, which is content creation. You will create an account on TikTok and Instagram, add your store link in the bio, and then create daily content for the products you will be selling on your store. Subscribe to the channel and like the video as I post profitable products daily. I wish you a happy journey in e-commerce. Goodbye.